Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. I have received my Glam Bag X Halsey, which looks like IPSY, but it's Halsey. I'm super excited about this box. It has some really great products in it. There were a few things that I really wanted that I didn't get, but that's okay. It came with a cat. I didn't know IPSY sent out cats, but it's a pretty cat. I was taking the stuff out and kind of looking at it, and Sneaks, this is Sneaks, she has kind of taken over the box. You know, if it fits, I sits. She looks comfy, so I didn't make her get out so that I could show you the box. Y'all know what an IPSY box looks like, right? Yeah, okay. So, comes with this little magazine. I love this picture. Look at all of those very, very bright, vibrant colors. Isn't that awesome? I just love how colorful she is. So, let's get started and I'll show you what's in the box. I'm not going to go into the details of IPSY. I'm sure y'all have heard that 1,000 times. I will put the website down in the description for anybody that is interested. You can go look and all that good stuff. So, right off the top, the one thing that I am most excited about is this Athr Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette, which just speaks to my soul. This is $58. And it is vegan, cruelty-free. It has clean ingredients, sustainable packaging, all the things that I just am so in love with. I love it, love it, love it. Here's what the palette looks like, the packaging. It has a little bit of raised detail on it. It does not have a mirror in it, which I am totally okay with because I never use the mirrors in these palettes. It comes with the shade saver that has the names on it. And look at those beautiful colors. I cannot wait to try those. I will definitely do a makeup tutorial using these shadows. They are just gorgeous. The top of the inside the top of the palette has a message, and I'm going to read just a little bit to you. It says, "Hello beautiful, we have removed the mirror and magnets inside to be more sustainable. We strive to make the best sustainable choices in all of our products." So I think that's awesome. I love that. I love the shade names. It's a very, very cool palette. And also, inside the box, it comes with a card. It is like an affirmation card, and it says, "Heed the message of the moon and also harness its power. The moon lives in the darkest of places, yet lights a path to bring clarity to mind, heart, and spirit." And those of you that know that I live my life by the cycles of the moon. It's very interesting how the moon guides us. So I absolutely love that. So that's the palette that I got in the box. The next thing that I got is this Fenty Beauty mascara. It's the full frontal mascara, and I have this mascara that I've received, I believe, in a BoxyCharm. This retails for $24. It is the full frontal volume lift and curl mascara. And I actually have it on because that's what I put on this morning when I went to work. I am currently using this mascara. So I really do like it. I have a lot of different mascaras. I will probably pass this mascara on to a friend. I know a friend who is looking to try some different mascaras, but Fenty is a very good mascara. The next thing that I have is this Herbivore Emerald Hemp Seed Adaptogens Deep Moisture Glow Oil, and this retails for $48. It says, take your skincare ritual higher with Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil, hemp-derived cannabis, stevia oil, seed oil, non-intoxicating. So it's not going to make me happy or give me the munchies, but that's okay. Cannabis essential oil combined with potent adaptogenic herbs for a dose of soothing hydration and a glow that is lit. I didn't do too well reading that, did I? Very pretty bottle of oil. Look at that blue. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. I'm definitely going to keep this and try it. It has a very, very light smell to it. I'm assuming that that is from the hemp that's in it. And I'm just going to put just a drop. I want to see how it feels on the skin. It's oily, but it's not greasy, if you know what I mean. It absorbed into the skin very nicely without leaving that greasy feel. Yeah, it has a very light, unusual smell, so I'm looking forward to giving that a try. I don't normally put a lot of oil type products on my face, but reading this, it seems very interesting. The next thing that I have is the About Face Highlighter. This retails for $32 and it says Light Lock Highlighter Fluid in Fight or Flight, Shaken or Stirred, and Sunstruck. So this is Light Lock. I'm assuming that that is the name of the shade. And it is taped at both ends, so I'm going to cut it open because I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep this too. This seems very interesting to me. And About Face is Halsey's brand, so she actually created this. Very pretty packaging. It's made in Italy. It is About Face is a cruelty-free brand, which I love that. It has a 12-month shelf life. I didn't look to see if Herbivore, yep, Herbivore is cruelty-free as well. And so is Athr Beauty. I'm pretty sure that Fenty is, I think. I'll have to check that again. So I love highlighters. So the top comes off and you have a dropper bottle. And that's what it looks like. It looks like molten gold, and I can see gold and pink in it. And it blends out very nice. Oh, I like that a lot. You can see it just a little on my fingers, but it blends out really well. And doesn't have any smell to it. When I was reading up on it a little bit, you can add it, you know, as your highlighter to your cheeks, your nose, as normal. But you can also put it on your face under your foundation or put a few drops in your foundation if you want to have that nice glowy look. And the next item is the little IPSY bag, which I thought was super cute. I love that it's green on the inside and it's got the pink IPSY logo. It's like a crocodile or snakeskin type of texture to it. It has a nice zipper. It's a very nice little bag. So I love that. Normally I don't keep these, but I am probably going to keep this one. I really like it. I like the color of it and how it feels. This retails for $18. And then I have the new company, Tropical Microbiome, Repair the Skin Barrier, Tropical Skin Supplement. It is a pre, pro, and postbiotic deep cleansing and anti-strip. So it's a deep cleanser that does not strip your skin. And I love that it has the pre, pro, and postbiotics in it, because I don't know if you can see that I have just a little bit of eczema on my face, which I've never ever had before in my life. All of my research says that it's probably stress-induced, and ever since last year, life has been extremely stressful. So I have been using probiotics. I have been taking probiotics to help with that, and also using some probiotic skin products, which have been helping it. So I'm quite excited to give this a try. This retails for $42. Let's see if it has a fragrance to it, because I'm not real big on fragranced. No, it does not, which is good. I don't like to put a lot of fragrance. Light fragrance I'm okay with, but I don't like to put a lot of fragrance on my face. The next product that I received is the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat Lip Liner from Charlotte Tilbury. All of my research says that Charlotte Tilbury is not a cruelty-free brand. I believe that they are cruelty-free here in the States, but they are not considered cruelty-free because they sell in mainland China. This is Pillow Talk 2 Medium. It's a very pretty shade. Very creamy. I love that shade. It's very pretty. This sells on the Charlotte Tilbury website for $22. And then the last item that I got in my IPSY bag is this Defineme Kahana Aquamarine Crystal Infused Natural Perfume Mist. And this retails for $40, I believe. I do not see it in my little IPSY magazine. This has a 24-month shelf life. It's made in the USA. I do not see any information on it about whether or not it's cruelty-free, but I will look that up. It says Kahana inspires relaxation, mindfulness, and a feeling of being transported to a tranquil place. I love crystals, so I love that this is a crystal-infused perfume. Does it say? It looks like it has quartz, and I'm not sure what that other crystal is. It does say on here that it is PETA certified, vegan, and cruelty-free, also gluten-free, and it says for every bottle, $1 goes to educational scholarships for young women in developing countries. So I love that. Natural, organic, and clean ingredients. Very cool. So let's see what it smells like. It has a spray bottle, obviously. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells really, really good. It definitely has that aquamarine smell to it. Very clean smelling. It has hibiscus, delicate pink pepper, coconut water, white orchid, santal, and blonde woods. That is a beautiful fragrance. I love that, and I love that it's clean. I'm going to have to look this up now that I know that they are cruelty-free. I am really trying to stick with cruelty-free products. And then also, before they sent me my box, when they had their sale, I went on their website and ordered some masks, and they sent these with my box. They're from the cream shop. There's 2 masks in each pack. I have the turmeric and matcha and the watermelon kombucha, and I got the kombucha because kombucha, you can make homemade kombucha. I don't know if anybody knows that. And that has a probiotic in it. And this is vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and that's 2 of the same mask in the sheet. So there you go. There's my IPSY Glam Bag X Halsey. The total value of my box came to $284 and a free cat. I really love this box. I liked my last Glam Bag X, but I really, really love this. I love that Halsey is so much into vibrant colors, and she's into organic, clean, sustainable makeup. So that's pretty cool. So there you go. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day to watch me unbox my Glam Bag X. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It sure would make my day. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, not so much a beauty tip for you today, but Christopher just got a brand new little kitty cat. Just a little itty bitty little baby kitty cat. And so you can keep your makeup boxes and turn it into a bed. See? Look at how happy Sneaks is. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.